Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to save image from a URL to your local disk in Node.js application. So I will be saving this image to my local computer using Node.js. So this is a script here. So if I just run this script here by executing node index.js, so you will see that this image will be downloaded inside our uploads directory. So I can even show that to you. So this is the image being downloaded here, and if I open this image, you can see the same image that is there on the web page that we have successfully downloaded using Node.js. So I will be showing you the complete script here. So just delete it, just make an empty Node.js project and inside your index.js, and let me also delete this upload directory. So inside your Node.js project, just make a new directory of uploads. So inside this directory we will be populating all the images that we download from the internet. So first module that we will need here is the file system module. So this is a built-in module in Node.js, so require it. And the second module is also built in, which is HTTPS. So basically it will be required to make the HTTP request. So after this we will make a simple function which will be save image to disk. So this will take two options. First is the full URL that we are making request to, and the second is a path, so on which path that you want to download images. And now basically we will just call this function. First we will provide the URL. So in order to get the URL, right click it and copy image address and provide the address here like this. And the second argument will be the full path where to just save this image. So we will be saving it ./uploads, and we will be concatenating the date now function. So basically it will be giving it a unique name every time a unique image is downloaded. So you just concatenate another thing, extension of the image also. So you can just convert it to dash jpg or dash png. I will be converting to dash png. That's it. Now we just need to make this function. So first of all we will be storing this URL inside another variable which will be full URL. We will be saving this URL. After this we will make the request. First of all we will make the full path here, local path variable, and we will be using file system module, and there is a method which is create write stream. So inside this we will pass our we will pass the path here which is coming here like this path. And now we will make the request here, var request, which will be making a simple request to our HTTPS. There is a get method inside this, so we will pass the full URL like this, and the secondly it returns a response to us, so we can just get the response like this in a callback function. We can just console log the response, and also we can just write this line which is response.pipe, and we can just pipe it to the local path. That's it. So this completes the application, guys. So now basically if I run this node index.js, so basically it will return this console log. And now if I open the directory, you will see that image is downloaded here, -png. So we have provided this -png extension. Now if I change this extension to, let's suppose, JPG, it will convert this file to JPG. Let me just show you the file here inside uploads directory. You will see this is a file here. If I open this is the same image file that we have downloaded from the internet. And now once again if I run this once again, node index.js, it will once again be having a unique image. Now you can see that every time, this time this is a JPG image, first time it was PNG like this, you can see that. So in this easy way you can download any sort of image from the internet. You just need the URL, and then you can just write this function save image to disk. First of all provide the URL, and secondly the path. And this is the method we are using, https.get, to make the request to this URL, and then it returns the response, and we are writing this line which is response.pipe, and we are piping this image to the local path that we have provided here inside this function, ./upload/date now for adding randomness to the file name and press the extension here .jpg. So that's it guys. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.